Happy birthday, Paris Angel!
That she may grow with humility, good health, God-fearing, repentance, obedience, good example, and most especially, pray for her eternal salvation. God is greater than all. No man can snatch them out from the hands of God. At kaya nga, isa sa katangi-tanging pag-ibig na maipapadama natin bilang magulang sa ating mga anak, yung ipagkatiwala natin sila sa Diyos. Kaya po tayo nagkakaroon po ng child dedication sa isang magulang, katulad po ni Doc Jelay and Brother Lester. Gusto nila ma-witness yung gratefulness nila. Gusto po nila na ma-witness nyo sila kung gaano sila kasaya na dumating sa kanila si Paris. Giving God the glory, because dedication is acknowledging that God is the author, the creator, the giver of life and everything. And that sincere acknowledgement gives God the glory.
I see forever when I look in your eyes. A love that is deeper than the blue in the sky. You are my heart. You are my heart. You are my dream come alive. My everything, my like no other. Yeah, I could stay here with you for forever.
Yan, wish lang namin kay Baby Paris, anak, ay lumaki siyang malusog, mapagbigay, mabait, at sana hindi masayahin sa habang lumalaki siya at mapagbigay sa mga tao. At sana sumunod siya sa yapak na kanyang nanay.
Happy first birthday, Paris Angel. Ang wish ko sa'yo, una sa lahat, sana lumaki kang may takot sa Diyos. Always be kind and maging masaya lang sa buhay na tatahak. Mommy and Daddy will always be here for you. We will travel the world with full of excitement, joy, and happiness. Happy birthday, Anak!
For forever. For forever. Of all the things I've ever seen, you're a magic that I never thought I'd find. And there's no in between. You and me will run until the end of time.
For by grace you have been saved through faith, and this is not from our works. It is the gift of God, lest any man should boast. Gagawa ka ng mabuti kasi na-earn mo na, binigyan ka na ng Panginoon ng kaligtasan. Kaya ipagkatiwala natin yung ating mga anak sa Diyos.